Japanese drinks for hot summer days. Japan's summers are notoriously hot and humid. During this time, people seek out relief from the sweltering heat with refreshing and energizing drinks. Japanese drinks are known for their unique and authentic flavor, with many of them being perfect for hot summer days. The drinks are not only refreshing, but also help to hydrate the body and keep the mind cool while providing a burst of energy. Authentic flavor, with many of them being perfect for hot summer days. The drinks are not only refreshing, but also help to hydrate the body and keep the mind cool while providing a burst of energy. In this article, we will explore some of the best Japanese drinks to help you beat the heat this summer. Green tea. Green tea is a staple in Japan and is widely known for its numerous health benefits. It's a must-try drink during hot summers. Hot or cold, its delicate taste is perfect for soothing hot and restless summer days. Summer days. This drink consists of a unique blend of high-quality tea leaves, which are placed in hot water and allowed to steep for a few minutes. This brew is then cooled and served chilled with cubes of ice. You can also add a little honey or lemon if you like. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and helps to reduce inflammation in the body. It also helps to improve digestion and boost metabolism, making it an ideal drink to cool off in the hot summer months. Ramune. Ramune is a carbonated drink that is popular in Japan during the summer months. It comes in a variety of fruity flavors like lemon, lime, grape, and strawberry. It's also bottled in a unique soda bot. That requires you to push a marble into the bottle to open it. The drink is not only refreshing and hydrating, but also fun to drink. The soda bottle has a unique design, and the marble inside makes it more interesting. You can enjoy this drink while sitting on the beach, picnicking, or just lounging in the park. Kalpis. Kalpis is a Japanese drink that is perfect for cooling off during hot summer days. It's a non-alcoholic drink made from fermenting milk with lactic acid bacteria. It's a sour milk drink that's sweet and has a flavor similar to yogurt, but with a lighter texture. Kalpis can be enjoyed on its own or mixed with other non-alcoholic drinks such as soda or fruit juice. It also makes a refreshing cocktail when mixed with your favorite alcohol. It is recommended to drink Kalpis chilled or served as a cold beverage with fresh slices of lemon or lime to enhance the taste. Mugicha, barley tea. Mugicha, or barley tea, is another popular summer drink in Japan. It is made from roasted barley grains, which give it a nutty and earthy flavor. It is believed to be an excellent detoxifier and ALS. Helps in quenching thirst. Mugicha is caffeine-free and can be enjoyed hot or cold. It's ideal for replacing fluids lost through sweating and reducing body heat. Japanese sake. Sake is a Japanese alcoholic drink that is made from fermented rice. It's a popular drink during the summer months when it's served chilled. Sake has a unique taste and is high in alcohol content, making it a perfect drink to help you cool off and relax after a long, hot day. Sake is best enjoyed sipped slowly and savored. Some of the summer-friendly varieties of sake are ginjo and daiginjo, which are typically lighter and make you feel refreshed. Yuzu citrus drink. Yuzu is a winter fruit, but its juice is a popular ingredient in Japanese summer drinks. The citrusy, Tart flavor of yuzu juice makes a refreshing drink when mixed with soda or sparkling water. The drink is made by combining yuzu juice, sugar, and soda water in a tall glass. You can also add mint or lime to enhance the taste. Sobacha, buckwheat tea. Sobacha is a Japanese tea made with roasted buckwheat. It has a nutty flavor and is caffeine-free. Sobacha is usually served cold, and it's a great alternative to sugary drinks. Sobacha is a healthy drink that helps in digestion and metabolism. It's recommended to drink chilled sobacha with lemon slices on hot summer days. Final thoughts. Japanese summer drinks are not just refreshing but also very healthy. They help us stay hydrated while providing vital nutrients and minerals to our bodies. It's recommended to drink lots of water in the summer months, and incorporating these Japanese drinks into your routine will help make drinking fluids more enjoyable and healthy. Whether it's the traditional green tea or the unique ramune, th. The summer months, and incorporating these Japanese drinks into your routine will help make drinking fluids more enjoyable and healthy. Whether it's the traditional green tea or the unique ramune, th. Say drinks have something for everyone and will definitely make your summer days more comfortable. So, go ahead and experiment with these Japanese summer drinks to find your favorite. Cheers! In addition to these drinks, there are also a few other popular Japanese beverages that are worth mentioning. Umeboshi, or pickled plum juice, is a traditional Japanese drink that is believed to have medicinal properties and is said to help prevent heat stroke. It has a sweet and sour taste and is usually sour. Egg chilled. Egg chilled. Another popular drink during the summer months is shiso juice. Shiso, also known as Japanese basil, has a unique flavor that is somewhere between mint and basil. The juice is typically mixed with sug and water to make a refreshing drink that's perfect for quenching thirst. And water to make a refreshing drink that's perfect for quenching thirst. Finally, there's mugicha, or barley tea. This tea is made by steeping roasted barley in hot water and then chilling it. It has a nutty flavor and is a great alternative to sugary drinks during the summer months.